Hey there, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to set goals and achieve them step by step. Setting goals can help you stay focused, motivated, and achieve success in different areas of your life. But it's important to know how to set realistic and achievable goals. So, let's get started.
Step 1. Define your goal. The first step in goal setting is to define what it is that you want to achieve. It could be anything from getting in shape, learning a new skill, or starting a business. It's important to make sure that your goal is realistic, specific, measurable, and achievable within a defined time frame. Keep in mind that your goal needs to be clear. Avoid vague goal setting. Being popular cannot be a goal, it's an outcome of a clear goal, that is.
Create a timeline for your goal. Creating a plan comes next. This involves breaking down your goal into smaller, more manageable steps. Think about what you need to do to reach your goal and create a timeline for each step. In other words, you need to define a time-bound and executable timeline prioritizing your activities. Identify parallel activities and see what is the best time to perform each one, or what activities need to be performed simultaneously.
Stay accountable. Staying accountable is key to achieving your goals. Share your goals with someone you trust, like a friend or family member, and ask them to hold you accountable. Consider that person should support you without judgment along the way. You can also use tools like a journal or an app to track your progress and maintain your motivation.
Overcome obstacles. Obstacles are a natural part of goal setting. It's important to anticipate challenges and come up with strategies to overcome them. This could involve finding a mentor, seeking support from others, or adjusting your plan if necessary. One important factor in this stage is managing your motivation. If your motivation fizzles out, you won't have the drive to continue. For example, when on a mountain climbing journey, always imagine the view from the peak when you reach the top. This will give you motivation. And it happens in different ways for different people. Perhaps another person prefers rest at the peak instead of the view.
Celebrate your success. Finally, it's important to celebrate your success along the way. Set aside time to acknowledge your progress and accomplishments, and reward yourself for your hard work. This helps you stay motivated and inspired to continue towards your goal. Be grateful for yourself at every step. Proudly say to yourself, I made it this far, so I can do it.
Remember, setting and achieving goals takes time and effort, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can make it happen.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay connected with us for more helpful content on personal development and goal setting. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.